Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add app to home screen on Android phone. You can see I have so many apps on my home screen, and here I have so many app on my Android phone. So if I wanna add another or one app to home screen, so just I have to do, if I go for this music option or music app, just tap or long press on it and just drag it to your home screen. When you wanna go for it, if I just do it or let it here, so you can see I have my this music app on my home screen. So that's the process. Hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.